Welcome to 103 Elwyn Lane, Unit 4. This is a second story apartment, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Located sort of equal distance between downtown Columbia and the Harbison area, or the St. Andrews area of Columbia. Convenient to I-26 and I-20. Quick commute to downtown and Harbison as well. So you can see here in the inside of the unit we have the laminate hardwood flooring throughout. You have a large living room off the entry, and then open to the dining room on the right side here. See, the dining area has a ceiling fan. There's also a laundry closet with full-size washer and dryer connections right off that dining area. And then you also do have a half bathroom here as well. Full sink and medicine cabinet and commode. And then you can see the kitchen there. Quickly though, we'll take a look outside. It's out back. You have a balcony out here, and there's also just a utility closet or storage closet outside. It has extra storage space. Kitchen is a galley style kitchen. You have an included dishwasher, electric stove, and a refrigerator on that end. We'll go on down the hall. There are 2 bedrooms in this unit, and you have kitchen's access via the hall this way as well. So the first is actually off the hallway here on the left side. It's the smaller of the 2 rooms. Also has the smaller closet. So I guess it's what you consider the second bedroom. The second one, or the other one next door, is larger slightly. Both look out to the front of the unit, and this one does have a walk-in closet with a bit more hanging and shelf space. You also do have a sort of coat closet at the end of the hall here, as well as a linen closet that's right next door to it. And then you have a full bathroom, a sink and countertop there, and a shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this property. Again, the address is 103 Elwyn Lane, Unit 4. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.